Hi, and welcome to a quite different video as last time we've done these tea-related videos. Used to be usually tasting. Today I'm actually just gonna be doing a quick unboxing. I'm sitting outside as well as we can. Was quite nice outside, so I was thinking of doing the recording outside between the birds and the sun and the sound of water. But in the meantime, it's become the sound of mown lawns and cars, unfortunately. But it is what it is. I'm still outside. It's actually quite nice. I like sitting outside here. You guys only get to see a wooden wall, while I get to see the greens and the birds. Good trade-off for me. I hope it's fine for you guys too. So I've got another order from, probably butcher the name, Shinanshu, a Spanish store. I've ordered raw puer from it before that I have tasted. It's somewhere on this channel if you are curious. I'll put a link wherever links show up on the video. One thing I'm quite excited about is that I ordered a Gongdao Bay. Challenge 1, find the goddamn opening. So I ordered a Gongdao Bay as I needed 2. I've got multiple Gaiwans now, and I just needed multiple Gongdao Bay so I can finally start doing these either blind tastings, but also just comparisons between, you know, the same teas from different areas, different ages, you know, and really taste the differences myself, or check if I can even taste the differences myself. I'm quite excited for that. It's very nicely packed, just as last time. So a bunch of goodies there as well. So I ordered oolong teas. It was packages. I don't even remember which oolongs were. It was just a package of various oolongs. So it's quite a surprise. I definitely didn't taste any of these oolongs before. Also nice, a lot of bubble wrap. Just comes in very handy if I want to transport my teaware to other places. So I can never have enough bubble wrap. Let's see, I should have brought a knife with me. There's nothing here, I think. Imagine unboxing without a knife. Is it possible? Can we do it? We might actually be able to do it. So put this bit box outside. By the way, I'm sporting the Benny Maru t-shirt. Also arrived a few for those in the know. The King of Fighters character, one of the SNK's franchises. Very excited for the new fighter from SNK, City of the Wolves, that's coming out. Oh, this is the Gongdao Bay. Let's see. Alright, beautiful. You see, so this is a new, so it's a pitcher, right? Whatever I brew in the Gaiwan, I will put it in there. So now I have 2. I have a glass one and I have this one. Very pretty, very nice, very sturdy, feels sturdy at least. It's not white on the inside, which, you know, if you want to discern the color specifically of your brew, it might not be ideal, but it looks very natural, very nice. I like it a lot. Look at that rust color, that's really cool. Yeah, very excited, feels really good. It's very nicely packaged, right? So it was wrapped in this in the box. Wrapped in more bubble wrap, so it's, they really take care of their products. Let's put that back. That's really cool. I have to wash that first, probably. Can I put it back the way it was? The answer is always no. The wind is really picking up here in the meantime. So unfortunately, it was looking like such a beautiful day. But it just became lawnmowers and wind. Okay, so that's a lot of tea. That's no longer where it's supposed to be sitting at, I assume. Alright. So these are all from the order packages. Let's see, that is, oh yes, all right, so we got that beautiful Gongdabe, and then I had 2 packages. Are these gifts? I think these may be other samples. I should have checked exactly what I've ordered before, because it was a package and I could have checked like what was all in the package. So let's open this first. This seems like the order package. Yeah. So we got some wee rock oolong tea, right? So last song Shui Xin. I think I pronounced that right. From Chao Chen Chan, that's the mountain. It's aged yancha, so it's aged rock tea, if I am not mistaken. Feel free to correct me if I am in fact mistaken. Here is the other Hui rock tea, is a Rugui. So these are all tasters, right? It's like a box of tasters. Because I haven't really delved too deep into oolongs. I've had like Da Hong Pao, I had Jie Guan Yin, I had a Rogui a bit ago, and I've had a Dansong, but they weren't particularly amazing, so I don't think they were really of any high quality. They were like from a bigger, like a big store. We've got the prize-winning Shui Xin Premiado. So these are all small tasters. Very nicely packaged, very convenient. This one is from 2020, also a 2020 prize-winning, another Rogui. Let's see. I like these packages, I like these small little boxes, I'm a fan. I got these twice, right? Same tea, so I got multiple tasters. That's very good. It's actually very nice. But a Rogui from another place. This is a prize. Well, this just says prize winning, right? I don't know. This is Lian Huafeng Rogui. And then we have an aged version of this one. So this is the 2022 version. This is the 2017 version. So this is great. This is exactly what I'm hoping for. So now I have the 2 Gongdao Bays. I got 2 of the same guy ones. So now I can properly test. See, can I taste like side by side? Can I taste the difference of the age? And which one do I like more? So that's cool. That's very cool. And these were from... I am mixing myself up in here, so I'm gonna put these back in the box. And then we have these. So I guess these are gifts that were with them. So we got a Chilan 2021. Yeah, it's just all rock teas, right? It's all rock oolong from Wuyi. And this one doesn't say... Oh, this one is 2020. So this is 2020, 2021. Again, very nice. 1 year difference. Can you taste 1 year difference in aging? And the wood and the moss. Lao Song Shui Xin. Lao Song Shui Xin. Both from 2022. Very nice little tins. That's really cool. Whoa, wait. Getting mixed up by the camera. Oh no. Yeah. The moss and the wood. Both Lao Song. Lao Song Shui Xin. I think I've had something like that before. Anyways, really curious. as you can see, I still have a lot to learn about all these new. Oolong is very new to me, so all of these names I've just said, I have no idea what that means. I only know, roughly what a rock oolong is, or a yansha, right? But I've never had like aged oolong. And these are probably higher grade oolongs than I've had before, I want to say. Yeah, I'm very curious, so that's all of it. As you can see, it's sort of samples, so it's not a lot. It's a lot of little packages, which is very fun. I don't know if I can actually show you. Let's use the crappy camera for that. Hi. So we got these tins, the wood and the moss. Dude, why am I keep getting mixed up? Also, behold this beautiful tablecloth chosen by my very young niece. It was the easiest decision of her life. Showed her a few tablecloths. The one with the cats and the dogs and lots of pink was an easy decision. We got all these little packages. You can still order these, by the way. Let's move the camera a little bit to the back. Yeah. Ooh. And then these bigger packages. You can still order these at Shinanchu. There was like a variety of oolong packages that you can buy. So yeah, if you're interested in oolong, definitely check it out. Especially if you're new to it like me, it gives you a lot of selections. And it's very neatly packed. I am quite a fan of the small packages. And then of course, that's not part of it. That's not part of the pack. I just wanted to have another picture. That wasn't just the glass picture. One more. Look at that. It's beautiful. That's really cool. I like this one a lot. Yeah, that's going to be it. Ooh, the wind is blowing. I hope it's not blowing straight down your ear holes. And yeah, next time I'm looking forward to tasting them. Yeah, that's going to be about it. See you around. Bye. From the cake. Oh, spill.